Well, happy day and welcome to GiveawayGator.com. Giveaway Gator is the place to win a prize and put a smile on your face. Today we'll be thumbing down through a couple of the giveaways. A Razor electric scooter, Fight Eyes Blue Defender gummies, collection of empowering books, 5 of them. But the one we're mainly doing the video on today is the Razor scooter. And here we are. It's a $150 value. Giveaway details. There'll be one lucky winner to win this scooter. It's sponsored by Home Jobs by Mom, co-hosted by Deliciously Savvy and Michigan Saving and more, and a group of 16 other bloggers. Here's the giveaway details. Here's the entry form. Go down and enter as often as you like, every day, twice a day or more. I think this one runs out July the 8th or July the 9th. So anyway, enter and enter often, and visit giveawaygator.com to see what other giveaways we have. Thank you very much, and good luck to all of you who enter. Thank you.